Getting your first driver's license in Michigan is simple once you know the steps. Start by collecting your documents. You'll need proof of your legal presence in the U.S., like a passport, birth certificate, or green card. You'll also need something that shows your social security number, such as your social security card, W-2, or a pay stub. On top of that, bring proof of your Michigan address. 2 documents are required, like a utility bill, bank statement, or school transcript. Remember, everything must be original or certified, not photocopies. Once you have your documents, you can pre-apply online. This saves time when you visit the Secretary of State office. At your appointment, bring your paperwork, pay the fee, take a photo, and complete the vision test. If you're 18 or older, you'll also take the written knowledge test during this visit. If you're under 18, you'll need to finish segment 2 of driver's education and pass the road skills test. If you're 18 or older, you'll need to practice driving with a licensed adult for at least 30 days before taking the road test. After you pass, you'll receive your Michigan driver's license.